Hey everyone, back making some more dog treats. Now I love making dog treats at home. You save money, you know exactly what's going in them. Look at the back of some of those dog treats. They got tons of ingredients in them. You don't need all that, you just need good meats. And I got some fish over here as well. And it's less expensive and it's healthy, good foods. Now I got a dehydrator here I use. I'll link it below so you guys can check that out. But it's great having a dehydrator. I've had this thing like 10 years and it's really been great for dog treats and human food too. So what I have here is some sliced steak, some cut up cube steak, sliced chicken, cube chicken, and some catfish nuggets. Now these are a little bit thicker things. I wanted some big treats and then some more like little bite-sized treats, and the catfish are kind of in between. It'll take a little longer since I have more thicker stuff. You can cut these as thin or thick or whatever size and shape you want, and it's just going to take either less time or more time depending on what the size of your stuff is. These should all come out at about the same time, probably about 8 hours or so. And I'm just going to go ahead and get these on the racks, and then we'll show you what to do next. And take a look at this, all this amazing food for snacks and treats. Tons and tons here. You'd probably pay who knows how much if you were to buy something like all these meats in like little dehydrated bags at the store. All you gotta do is like I did, set them up on your trays, put your trays together. And then we'll just throw the top on. Let me make sure it's plugged in. Now we just turn it on and let it sit and run for a good many hours. But it's nice, you set it and forget it. And here's what we end up with, all these amazing treats. We got our little pieces over here. And then we have our fish, chicken, and steaks. All nice big and little jerkies here, so we can give them small treats or big treats. Pretty easy to do. Let's go ahead and give my dogs some to see how they like it. Here we have Princey Pooh. He's got little treats over here. One of the fish, one of the little steak and chicken nuggets. Okay. We'll see my dog Jack go next. He's crazy. He'll go fast. I got him a little bigger pieces too, but definitely likes them. Prince just is a slow eater. There's the fish. You taking that? Oh, you don't like fish? There you go. I was like, I know you like fish. Alright, let's go see how Jack likes it. And here's my crank! Oh, he got it before I said okay that time. That's alright. He's got that big fish. He ain't playing around. It is a bigger piece than I gave Prince, so it'll take him a second. Oh, that's gone. Okay. What you grab? Okay, you got just the chicken and the beef. That was good, huh? All right. See you guys later.